Following public outcry over the Kenyan government's reluctance to halt inbound air traffic from China at a time when the World Health Organization has issued global travel advisories to prevent spread of the coronavirus, the Law Society of Kenya, 2 doctors and a lawyer moved to the High Court seeking orders to suspend flights from China and to compel the government to make public measures taken to mitigate the effects in case the virus landed in the country. Justice James Makau agreeing with the petitioners that unless he issued conservatory orders, Kenyans were likely to be exposed to the deadly disease. Over the next 10 days, flights from China stand suspended. He also put to work 3 cabinet secretaries, Health, Foreign Affairs and Transport, to trace the 239 passengers aboard the China Southern Airlines airplane that landed Wednesday and confine them in an isolation facility by the Kenya Defense Forces for the mandatory 14 days. The 198 Chinese, 13 Kenyans and crew aboard the aircraft were advised to self-quarantine, a concept many have poured cold water on. Orders that seemingly angered newly appointed Health Cabinet Secretary Mutahi Kagwe.
We don't need court orders to secure Kenyans' lives. It is not necessary. People can go to court every day and come with 1,000 court orders. For us, the main focus is, do we have the capacity to secure Kenyan lives?
Kagwe and his outgoing counterpart Cecily Kariuki calling for calm, saying the government had scaled up its interventions. These amid public outcry over what has been seen as a casual approach to addressing the deadly coronavirus scare.
The reason why we don't have it yet is because they have been managing it. It is not just by chance that we haven't got situations that are happening in other countries. And some of them, very, very advanced nations.
What it takes over is a build-up of interventions that have been happening in the last close to 2 months. You adjust your interventions, you scale them up depending on how the epidemic is evolving.
The Chinese embassy through its Twitter handle announced that the China Southern Airlines had suspended flights connecting Guangzhou, Shanghai and Nairobi until further notice due to decreased volume of traffic. On Thursday, the anxiety across the country caused a stir when a member of the public called health officials, claiming a neighbor who had reportedly arrived from China had symptoms of the disease. The said individual was reported to be in self-quarantine. Late Thursday, Nigeria reported its first coronavirus case. The Italian who arrived from China is now quarantined, the government trying to trace his steps and find those he came in contact with. With 3 African countries having reported positive cases of the coronavirus, panic has stricken the continent. Here in the country, an anxious population. But will the orders by the president and the courts offer the necessary assurance? And will actions speak louder than words? Chamutai Goin, Citizen TV, Afya House, Nairobi.